AWS Skill Builder has a new immersive way to prepare for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. Introducing AWS Escape Room Exam Prep for Certified Cloud Practitioner, CLF CO2. Escape from locked floors to rescue Claudia by answering exam-style questions, solving puzzles, and building real AWS solutions. With 40 exam-style questions and 4 hands-on labs, AWS Escape Room will help you evaluate your knowledge level as you prepare for the Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. AWS Escape Room is 100% aligned with the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam and covers the following exam domains: AWS Cloud Concepts, Security and Compliance in the AWS Cloud, Core AWS Services, and Economics of the AWS Cloud. You can choose to play solo at your own pace, or compete against a friend for the top spot on the leaderboard. So jump in and use your wits to escape from all floors while learning concepts that will aid your certification prep. Go to skillbuilder.aws to try AWS Escape Room Exam Prep for Certified Cloud Practitioner, CLF CO2 today.